Are you tired of noticing those first gray hairs in the mirror? Do you wish there was a gentle, natural way to bring back a soft, youthful brown color without using harsh chemical dyes? If so, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to share with you a wonderful recipe made with coffee and a few simple ingredients you already have at home. It's safe, effective, and with regular use, it can gradually darken gray hair, while also nourishing your scalp and making your hair soft and shiny. So let's get started. Ingredients. For this recipe, you will need 2 cups of freshly brewed coffee, strained, 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, also known as Nescafe, 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, and half a cup of natural conditioner. You can also use plain yogurt or aloe vera gel as an alternative. Why these ingredients? Coffee is rich in dark pigments that can gradually stain your gray strands, giving them a natural brown shine. It also contains antioxidants that can help strengthen your roots and smooth the texture of your hair. Instant coffee adds an extra boost of color, and it blends perfectly into the mixture. Cocoa powder not only deepens the shade, but also leaves your hair feeling softer and healthier. And finally, the conditioner, or yogurt, or aloe vera, whichever you prefer, gives the mixture a creamy texture that makes it easy to apply, while at the same time nourishing and hydrating your hair. How to prepare the mixture. Step 1. Brew 2 cups of strong coffee. Let it simmer for a few minutes and then strain it carefully through a cloth to remove any grounds. Step 2. While the coffee is still warm, add 2 tablespoons of instant coffee and stir until it dissolves completely. Step 3. Add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder and mix well until smooth. Step 4. Add half a cup of conditioner or yogurt or aloe vera gel. Stir everything together until you have a creamy paste. Application. Now that your mixture is ready, it's time to apply it. Make sure your hair is clean and slightly damp. Divide it into sections and apply the mixture from the roots all the way to the tips. Take a few minutes to gently massage your scalp. This will help the mixture absorb better, and it will also boost circulation, which is healthy for your hair growth. Once your hair is fully covered, put on a shower cap or wrap your head in plastic wrap to keep the mixture in place. Leave it on for at least 30 to 45 minutes. If you want a deeper, richer shade, you can leave it for up to 1 full hour. When the time is up, rinse your hair thoroughly with lukewarm water. There is no need to use shampoo immediately. Just rinse until the water runs clear. You may use a little conditioner afterward for extra softness. Results and tips. With regular use, about once or twice a week, you'll notice your gray hairs gradually becoming darker. They will blend beautifully with the rest of your hair, creating a natural brown tone. This method will not give you instant results like chemical dyes, but that's the beauty of it. It works gently, safely, and naturally, while also improving the overall health of your hair. If you'd like to enhance the results, you can also try rinsing your hair with strong black tea or adding a little bit of henna powder to the mixture for an even deeper shade. And always remember to do a patch test first, especially if you have sensitive skin. final thoughts. This recipe is not only about covering gray hair, it's also about caring for your hair in the most natural way possible. Every time you use it, your hair becomes softer, shinier, and healthier. So if you're ready to forget about chemical dyes and embrace a natural solution, give this recipe a try. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more natural beauty tips. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.